So now we've made all of our segments interactive. Now we're going to attach some content. So this one I decided to put a shirt there. I have gathered some content to be able to demonstrate this for you. So you can do headings, you can center it. Here's some of the text that I put together, and we're going to put that in there. Filler text. Of course, you can add the call to action, which is what you want. You want to be able to use the image as a navigation tool. Let's add a link to that, and we can have it open up in a new tab if you'd like. You can see you can go dark, or you can go white, or you can go custom, which is what we're going to be doing in our next video. So now we're on to the boots. We're going to add a video on this one. We do YouTube or Vimeo videos, and here is the adding some of this text here, and put that underneath there. I'm not going to do the heading. I already showed you how to do that. And of course the call to action we've got right there, and then open it up in a new tab. And let's go on to the purse. I think we'll do a video. I did a video on that as well. There's the YouTube video. Put that in there. And of course, add some text in there. And put that out there. And then another call to action for that one. And of course, we clicked open in new tab. You can open it in the same tab if you'd like. And the last one is the scarf, which I'm going to do no, I'm not going to, image. Let's do an image. There it is right there. An image there. And grab some text. And put that in there. See, gathering all the content is what takes time as well. So, of course, call to action. But now this image is more than just an image. It's a navigation tool to all of these items here. You can see I kept all of them in black. Of course, you know, I just demonstrated you can have it white. And then the next video, we're going to show you how you can customize these light boxes. Of course, that's how the link works. Here's another link. I think I used that little bean link here just for demonstration. Let's go back, and now this is another customization. You can go solid state, where everything is interactive and it doesn't cycle through, or cycling. The solid state's for if you have a lot of items and it's cycling through a lot, like a map, for example. So you can also, the shade, you can customize white, black, sepia, or the custom, and we're going to make it a really funky color so you guys can really see that you can put any of your branding right within that image there. I'm going to keep bringing it right back. And that's the end of our video on how to add content.